pagpapatuloy ng serbisyo sa mga mamamayan. Bukas, biyaheng Bicol ang Pangulo para personal na inspeksyonin ang pinsala at personal na magpapatulong sa mga nasa.
The president now faces a profound crisis of confidence, especially the way these corruption investigations are being handled, which appears to lack Filipinos of billions and billions of pesos was approved under his watch.
Ito ang pahayag ni Vice President Sara Duterte sa gitna ng kanilang protesta for the world soon.
Nawit ka naman sa pagsana. Sige, di ba? Kasi kahit wala na. Sige, matapos what's going on? And I said, hey, yeah, yeah, hey, yeah. What if it happened to you on a different day? Where the face is better. No, what the net and never was where the pay with the mess. Is in the power. 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got things in fine.